When setting up Poll Studio Manager, you have the option of creating how they heard about you items so that when a student is filling out a profile, you can track how they were referred to you. So the first thing you want to do if you want to use this feature is go into Settings on the left-hand menu and then Global Settings. And then when I'm in Global Settings here, I want to scroll down to where it says Members and make sure that Enable How Did You Hear About Us is set to Yes. If you do not want this to be on your student profiles, you can instead click No and stop watching the rest of this video. Now, if I've clicked Yes here, when a student is creating an account, they will have How Did You Hear About Us and a drop-down menu. This drop-down menu, we create what is there by going to our settings on the left-hand side and categories. Here we can see the stock information and we can create new ones. To do that, I would click Create a New Category on the left. Make sure that the category is How Hear, type How They Heard. And then the order is the number that they're going to be listed in. So here, whatever is number 1 is going to be the top, and whatever is a bigger number is going to be the bottom. So for the one that I'm creating, I'm going to make it a bigger one, and I'm going to save. Then when I come in and refresh, I can change and see my cool new thing as a How Did You Hear About item, and the student would then be able to select that. Now, why does this matter? Is we do have a report. In our Reports tab on the left-hand side, if you come down to How Did You Hear, you can actually run a report to see where people are hearing about you. So that's why we can set this up to collect that data. Now, if at any point I want to change my how here, I could come in, click the pencil icon, I could change the name, and I can change the order and save. If that how here item is no longer something that I want to have students be able to select, I can click the trash can to archive it. Please note it only archives, it does not delete. So if you want to track how people are being referred to your program when students are creating their accounts, you would set up the how they heard categories